Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing well, is staying safe and healthy. This is a infill as per usual. She always wears black and really dark colors. I've done everything that I could to remove her previous set, but black is a bastard, so I did my best. Was also really quick last minute appointment, so I tried to move fast and just make sure I do everything needed for this set. Also, on this particular client, her nail shape, I have to do a rebalance. Every single time I see her, I didn't have time here, so they are a bit curled down. Not too bad, so they will last nice and well, but yeah, I didn't have time for rebalance. She wanted something different. Never ever had color on, not with me anyway. I have never done any colors on her other than black, so I was quite excited when she requested this set. They're gonna be all the same, no glitter. I'm using 3 neon colors, all 3 from CJP, and it's just gonna be a just a fade. It's gonna be an ombre nail, every single one of them, but with marble. So here I am using my CJP Big Boy brush as per usual, and I am using the colors, I believe they're called bubblegum, mango tango, and parrot feathers. I believe, I will check anyway and put it in the description box below if I did say anything wrong. So yeah, I'm taking some beads, quite wet, and I just swirl it around just to marble it. I usually like to do my sort of linear type of marble when it's like wavy on just one side, all of it, but this time I didn't. I just did just swirl it around and just place it as I want, really. Make sure I do fade it towards the bottom of the nail, because that's where it's just going to ombre with a nude color, so I want to make sure the transition is just nice and faded. So yeah, it's not really much to say about this set, really. As I said, they're all the same, but I thought you might want to see, as it's quite a lovely set. I believe it's quite special. I do love neon colors, so I thought I'll just show you too. I did record this video 2 weeks ago though, and I didn't have the chance to do a voiceover because I was away on my holiday, and then obviously all this madness going on, so I haven't had the chance to do it. I absolutely love these 3 colors together. I do think my favorite one is bubblegum, which is the pinkier one, the deeper color. I absolutely love that color. Nothing beats that color in the summer, I swear. I want to make sure I trim away any excess color. I'm trying not to tap the color onto the nail because I don't want that marble to really look muddy whatsoever, but make sure I push my sidewalls in. Here I am using peach sorbet, and I'm just going to blend it down. Oh, that black stain really bugs me. I did try to remove it, but it just wouldn't come off, and I just gave up. And yeah, I am encapsulating with a very thin layer of crystal glass just where that ombre is, because I don't want to file into it by accident. Yeah, it's not that much to say anymore. Every single nail is the same. Every single step that I take for every single nail is similar. I did my filing off camera just to save some time. As I said, we were in a rush with this appointment. We wanted to go for matte, and we were going to do matte, and then I forgot. because we chat too much. She's a good friend of mine, and I done it shiny, and I didn't realize until I posted the picture on my Instagram, and I said, oh, I think we were supposed to go matte, but yeah, and it ended up shiny. Sorry. That's all I can say about this set. I promise I will do some research about adding some music onto my videos, because I don't know, as I said in my last video, how to do it without being my audio being taken down by copyright reasons. So I will do a bit of research for that, and I will start adding music to my videos, because I know they are damn boring. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I have quite a few more to edit and do voiceovers for, so I will be posting more soon. Till then, I see you in my next video. Till then, be safe, be healthy, stay home. Bye.